Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to get a screensaver on Windows 10. Now, I know you all know Windows 7 and Windows Vista, maybe Windows 8, but they all had screensavers. And a lot of you may not know this, but that's actually because back in the day, they used to have like old TVs and panels that would be eligible for ghosting. If you don't know what ghosting is, it's basically where the image is burned onto the screen, so it's almost like an overlay with the opacity kind of just cranked up a little bit, or cranked down. But basically to do this, you just want to head up to your search menu thing and just type screen, and there it is. Oh, amen. But yeah, you can change, you could have, text, photos, ribbons. This is one of my favorite. But yeah, you can also set, like, if you're not there, in 1 minute or 12 minutes, then it'll automatically set the thing. If you can't find the search bar, all you gotta do is click this thingy right here and click all settings, and then personalization, and then lock screen. So you just want to click screensaver settings, and then get you there. But yeah, you get the gist. You can customize what you want, But yeah, there's settings you can change and everything. Most of them there aren't, but I know for a fact on this one you can change. You want it to say there's a limit, but yeah, you can choose font you want, font style, spin, it's reflection, custom. What? Hold up. It has to be a bitmap, but yeah, you get the gist.